everybody on your way out. Thank you all for coming. It's possible. I mean, I know people think, particularly those in the press corps in the back there, think I'm delusional. I've been called a lot worse by the press, by the way. It is absolutely possible for this.
Donald Trump would be president?
There you go. There you go. And just let me make a point of that. I want to thank the folks from the Trump administration. They have been terrific in working with us. We have been asking them for lots of information and working with them, bouncing ideas off of them. They have been available. They have been responsive. They have been helpful in coordinating briefings and giving us access to people that we need to talk to in order to put together these proposals. And we wouldn't be where we are if it wasn't for the assistance of the administration. And I know that they're going to issue a statement today, supporting broadly supporting this effort, which we very, very much appreciate. But I just keep coming back to, you want to do something never been done in this town? You want to do something that's never been done in this town? Do this. There's nothing like this has ever happened before. And it's only going to happen. I can tell you, I just left the Senate. Nice folks. Love a lot of those guys and gals. But they have a problem in the Senate. And they have a problem in the Congress generally. They allow the immediate to get in the way of the important. And they're always, and no offense, I mean, they're busy people, and they're just chasing their tails all the time with the crisis that the media's created today and the one that they're going to create tomorrow. We don't know what that is, but there'll be one. And they'll chase their tail on that, and they'll forget that there's something real important going on in America that they promised to fix. And so you have to remind them of what the important is, not the immediate. And so I would encourage you, as much as I would love you to talk to everybody, I want you just to talk to senators right now. It's all about the Senate. I don't care about the House. No offense to my former House colleagues. I don't care about the House. This is all about getting 50 votes in the United States Senate. And it is possible. But it will only happen if the American public, who says they really care about this, lets Washington know they care. So please do that. Thank you and God bless.